Carvana.
Yeah.
On this whole run up, we've been like playing every like up and down. Basically.
You can see on the daily the RSI does seem to be a little bit over.
Yeah, so I think.
So it's possible we retest down again a little, probably
exactly.
around the strength band before moving up higher. So you'd be kind of in the short-term frame there. You'd be seeing a higher low followed by a higher high as we punch back up.
Exactly, and even the 4-hour kind of like close bearish. So I think like you're right. It'll probably like drop and do an SR flip, basically. So like either drop all the way here, or just like drop around here.
It doesn't have to be too aggressive.
And then like bounce here.
But I would expect it to not fall below 44. If we start falling below, then I'd reassess before I actually open another position here.
Because as you can see, our indicator, the strength band kind of acts as support.
Yeah.
So you can see like price drops, it mean reverts, and then like it keeps bouncing.
Yeah.
And so even if
a bounce is what I want to see here.
Exactly. So even if it like pulls back, we got a bull signal again. But you can see the band now flipped red. So like it was technically, this bear was just a fake out.
Yeah. And then and then we watch it also, like, so we did see the bear signal, and within our chats we were like, yes, you have the bear print. We don't have the red line to go with it from the strength band, and we're seeing the RSI is oversold. That along with some technical analysis, we're then giving real time kind of input where it's like, on top of what the indicator will do, we inform on top of that.
So this was definitely a fake out, as we can see.
Yeah.
And then like we got a bull signal again, and then like it matches the band, so that confirms a bull trend. So like Max said, we might see it pull back, but then we want to see it bounce above this. And that's really
that'll be a good spot buying day then. We'll start to open positions back up.
Exactly.
And if you're in the Discord, you'll see us say like, "Oh, looks like Carvana's on the menu today. I'm buying X amount of shares." Or something. Usually people chiming in that they're also joining or what they're doing.
Yeah, let's see like some of the. There we go. Like
17%.
This was just like, this was on, I believe, on Friday. I think before the week. That was just a daily spot. It's just stocks. These aren't options. We're not doing anything fancy. These are just
spot buying
buy-in sets.
Yeah.
And 17%, more than 17% is ridiculous just for stocks. So
exactly.
But like this is what we do at Maxi.
And so we keep our eyes out for these kind of like short squeeze opportunities, and then share not just the opportunities but also like when we're opening, when we're closing our positions, and how we're trading them, so that people can use that information to kind of learn what they would like to do with their own. Obviously we're not telling people what to do with their money, just helping people understand what they can do with their money by sharing what we do with Maxi's.
Exactly. We just we're all about educating.
Yeah.
And the indicators also, it's such a great tool. We don't manage people's money or anything.
Yeah.
They do exactly what they want. But
we also use that indicator ourselves. That's pretty much how we started doing this. Since we built this indicator for us to just use privately, and we've been seeing such good results, and people have been asking. So we're just like, okay, like we formulated this around it so that you can actually get access, and not just access, but access along with the like personal like guidance and like help on how we use it and how we read it. And it's done really well for us. So people are generally like pretty happy with the performances they see from this.
Exactly. Like we haven't got one red month. Like everybody, every month that they've been a Maxi member, they've ended the month green.
Yeah. And the market hasn't been super favorable. So it's nice to be able to do that when the markets aren't doing super well.
Yeah. It's like it's probably been one of the worst years to trade ever, just because of how choppy it's been, and it's there's no clarity anywhere.
Yeah.
But we've been doing great. Like it doesn't matter bull bear market. Like
yeah,
like the we look at the indicator and we trade with it.